Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It's Monday, November 21st. I'm going to go over the markets with you. Holiday week here. Markets closed on Thursday, half day on Friday, so you might get a little bit of wild trade. Starting off the week a little bit higher with soybeans up 26.5 cents, corn up 4 1/4, wheat market mixed. Quite a few questions on why soybeans are doing what they're doing. There's no real fundamental backing that we can see out here to really push this market. They did announce that Malaysian palm oil was down 8 to 9% production-wise. We do know that's a little bit of an issue there, and demand's been coming strong for a byproduct of soybeans coming off bean oil there. So you do have that demand, but overall, when you look at how they built this demand into the S&Ds already from USDA, we're right on pace to where we should be. It shouldn't be an issue. Looking back, we are about $1.50 higher than we were last year at this time frame on a similar carryout level. So that's one thing to note. Also, Managed Money came out here on Friday, noting that from 11/8 to 11/15, Tuesday to Tuesday, they were aggressive sellers into corn and soybean markets. In that time frame, corn closed down 20 cents, beans were down 40 cents. Granted, there was a little bit of a bearish crop report in there as well, but for the most part, Managed Money's really been playing this market, and they've been able to push it. It's been rumored that they've been buying here as well. Also, a rumor mill happening right now that China is shopping for some U.S. beans once again. We haven't seen those sales pop up yet, but along with that, they're also noting that they're going to Brazil for soybeans as well. So this is a little bit early in the year that they're turning to Brazil for some soybeans, starting to get some of those booked up. Our demand is very front-end loaded. Come in the spring, they do switch over to South America coming off of their harvest to get their beans, and so it's been interesting to see that they're starting to shop around there as well. Meat markets mixed after a slightly friendly on cattle on feed on Friday after the close. Nothing too big there. Having some support. Cold storage is tomorrow, so that'll offer some additional details, and it'll be waiting to see if you do even get any cash trade with it being a holiday week as well there. Outside markets started off the day a little bit friendly with crude quite a bit higher, the Dow higher as well, and then the US dollar a bit lower, down 40 cents at one point, is starting to work its way back up over 101 there. That makes for a very high dollar. It's about the highest we've seen from back since 2011 there. Even going back to 2001 actually is where you have to see it above that level as well. Moving forward, what you're going to be watching is waiting to hear your export sales. Those are going to be delayed because of the holiday, but that's going to offer some information in this market. Is probably waiting to see if you get a little bit of a sales announcement in soybeans as well. I do have to close with the disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.